How much do Google Ads cost? Complete 2024 price guide. Welcome to our complete 2024 price guide on Google Ads. If you're considering investing in Google Ads, it's crucial to understand how much it will cost. Let's dive in. What affects Google Ads costs? Firstly, the cost of Google Ads is influenced by several key factors. Bidding strategy. Google Ads operates on a bidding system. You set a maximum bid for how much you're willing to pay for a click on your ad. Higher bids can increase your chances of ad visibility. Quality score. This is a metric Google uses to determine the relevance and quality of your ads and keywords. Higher quality scores can lower your costs and improve your ad rank. This is determined by your bid amount and quality score. A higher ad rank means better ad placement, which can lead to higher costs if your competitors are bidding aggressively. Industry and competition. Competitive industries, like finance or law, often have higher costs per click due to increased competition. Geographic location. Costs can vary significantly by location. Ads targeting densely populated urban areas usually cost more than those targeting rural areas. Cost per click, CPC. The average CPC across all industries ranges from $1 to $2. However, in competitive sectors like legal and finance, CPC can soar to $50 or even higher. Cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM. If you opt for a CPM bidding strategy, the average cost is around $2 to $10 per 1,000 impressions. Monthly budget. Small to medium-sized businesses often spend between $1,000 and $10,000 per month on Google Ads, depending on their goals and competition. Focus on high-quality keywords. Use keyword research tools to find high-intent, long-tail keywords that have lower competition but are highly relevant to your business. Optimize ad copy and landing pages. Ensure your ad copy is compelling and your landing pages are optimized for conversions. This improves your quality score and can reduce costs. Utilize negative keywords. Implement negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing up for irrelevant searches, saving your budget for more relevant clicks. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your campaigns. Adjust bids, test different ad copies, and refine your targeting to continually improve performance. Conclusion. The cost of Google Ads in 2024 varies based on multiple factors, including your bidding strategy, quality score, and industry competition. By understanding these elements and implementing smart strategies, you can maximize your ad spend and achieve better results.